In this video, we will tell you the 10 tips by which you could get rich from nothing. I personally followed these, and that's why I can tell you with this confidence that you will become rich. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss the most crucial piece of advice. Now let's start. 1. Improving knowledge of zero involvement investment. There is still work to be done, even when there is no initial investment. On the contrary, it means generating income with zero outlay of capital. Put another way, you'll be making money using what you already have, your skills and the resources you already have. In this strategy, making the most of your time is more important than worrying about how to pay for it. To really embrace the idea of zero investment, one must change their perspective to appreciate what they now have. Rather than depending on conventional financial investments, you should use your imagination, initiative, and ingenuity to generate chances for financial success. 2. Put money down for rainy days. If you want to be ready for anything, having an emergency fund is a must. Try to put away enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of spending. You may rest easy knowing that you have this amount set aside to protect you from financial hardship. A separate section of your budget should be set aside for investments or saves for the future. Building wealth and achieving financial stability over time may be accomplished by setting aside a percentage of your salary for future objectives like purchasing a home, establishing a company, or retiring. If you want to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. 3. Utilizing abilities and capabilities. Each of us has marketable abilities that set us apart from the crowd. It doesn't matter whether you're an expert in social media, a gifted designer, or a gifted writer. There are plenty of options to demonstrate your skills and get money. You may carve out a special place for yourself in the market and draw in people who are looking for your specific brand of knowledge if you know how to put your abilities to good use. By catering to each customer's specific needs, you may differentiate yourself from the competition and build a solid reputation for your exceptional and distinctive products or services. 4. Investigating possibilities to earn money. Having grasped the concept of zero investment, it's time to look at some real ways to earn money. The opportunities for making money online are almost limitless when it comes to exploring this field. There are a number of well-known ways to become rich, but there are also some less well-known ways that might be just as fruitful. 5. Try your hand at freelancing online. Freelancing has exploded in popularity in the modern era as a means to supplement one's income without leaving the house. Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, and others provide a wealth of chances for those with skills in writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Make use of your abilities, build a profile, and begin competing for projects that fit your niche. In addition, making connections on these platforms may lead to more lucrative and long-term partnerships. You may greatly enhance your reputation and draw in more profitable chances by constructing a solid portfolio and getting good feedback from customers. 6. Initiate your online business with dropshipping. Dropshipping and e-commerce are two thriving internet business models that you may want to consider. You save money in the long run by not having to buy inventory when you dropship. Suppliers take care of shipping and inventory management instead. Marketing and customer service may then take center stage. Another option is to start your own online store and sell things that you're passionate about. In addition, to get an advantage in the e-commerce world, it is important to do extensive market research to find niche items that are in great demand. You may boost sales for your online business by a factor of 10 if you use search engine optimization tactics and use social media for targeted promotion. 7. Take advantage of online social networks. When used properly, social media can do wonders for your personal brand. Put your expertise, personality, and abilities on display via interesting content creation. Disseminate informative guides, engaging videos, or insightful commentary that speaks to your demographic. If you want to become famous and get more followers, you should use video sharing websites like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Make the most of each platform's capabilities to expand your reach. On social media sites like Twitter and Instagram, you may boost your exposure by using hashtags. Respond quickly to comments and messages to engage your audience. You may increase your organic reach by collaborating with other businesses or content providers and using their audience. 8. Realize how crucial networking is. The secret to opening doors to fresh possibilities is in networking. Use professional networking sites like LinkedIn to find other professionals who share your interests. Take part in online forums, seek out mentors, and have deep talks. Participate in webinars or seminars and other online events to broaden your network even further. Collaborating with others, forming partnerships, and meeting new customers are all possible via your network. Another option is to get in touch with influential people in your field or among your niche's thought leaders. If you want to get to the top of your field, one way to do it is to network with other successful people. One other way to get your personal brand out there is to team up with influencers on projects or co-create content. 9. Make a financial literacy investment. To succeed in the long run, you must increase your financial literacy. The good news is that you can learn a lot from the abundance of free materials out there. Learning about personal finance and investing is about more than just keeping track of money. It's also about making smart choices that may have a major influence on your financial future. Your ability to confidently and clearly traverse the complicated world of money management will be greatly enhanced by your investment in your financial education. 10. Launch your affiliate marketing campaign. Another way to get passive income with no initial commitment is via affiliate marketing. You may promote the goods and services of other businesses and earn a commission by forming partnerships with them. Find affiliate programs that fit your specialty and promote them via social media, blog articles, and videos. Making money even while you're not awake is possible with smart advertising. On top of that, you may optimize your profits over time by building strong connections with affiliate partners and negotiating reasonable commission rates. One way to keep ahead of the competition and make the most of new chances is to diversify your affiliate portfolio and monitor industry developments. That's all for today. Now you know all the tips to become a millionaire from nothing. Press the subscribe button for sure if you are interested in knowing more financial tips and secrets to become rich. Press the like button if you loved watching this video and got to know some good pieces of advice. Share this video with everyone, including your friends, relatives, cousins, colleagues, and everyone else for them to learn and improve. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any queries or suggestions for us. Many of my friends who followed these tips and guidelines have succeeded in life. If you ignore these today, you will regret later. As I said to you at the beginning, I personally followed all these advices, and that's why I became rich. Almost all the millionaires and multi-billionaires, including Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, Robert Kiyosaki, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and all others have said these tips and tricks in many of their interviews. You could watch their interviews and find out about them also. Actually, most of the people avoid these things, that's why they forget all of these. If you are really sincere, then you must follow these tips, and if you hear my advice, I would suggest you follow some better money habits to become rich even sooner. Many of my friends who followed the tips and tricks along with the better money habits got rich in just 6 months. For knowing the best money habits, you could click on the video appearing on the left side and watch it. Thank you for watching.